With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In the given question, we have to find the valency factor for the following bases. The first is CaOH whole twice, the second is CsOH, the third is AlOH whole thrice. So firstly understand what is valency factor. For bases, the number of OH minus ions releases per molecule is called the valency factor for that molecule. Okay, so let's see the first option, which is CaOH whole twice. So when CaOH whole twice dissociates into aqueous solution, it forms Ca2 plus cation and 2 of OH minus anion. So as you can see that there are 2 OH minus anion. So valency factor for CaOH is 2. The second one is CsOH, cesium hydroxide. So CsOH dissociates into Cs positive and OH negative ion. So as you can see that for one molecule of CsOH there are 1 OH minus. Therefore valency factor for this base is equal to 1. The third one is AlOH whole thrice, which is aluminum hydroxide. AlOH whole thrice. It dissociates into Al3 plus along with 3 mole of OH minus. As you can see that there are 3 of OH minus releases per molecule. Therefore valency factor for AlOH whole thrice is 3. So 2, 1 and 3 are the valency factor for CaOH whole twice, CsOH and AlOH whole thrice respectively.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.